Okay, we've determined our manifold here is a stock length manifold. And it's for the 42mm carburetor we're using on this motor. So our cylinders are an 1/8 inch shorter, so we need a shorter manifold. Now the way the Ultima measures their stuff is they measure from here, from the table, up to the bottom of this. And if you get over the hundreds, get my arm out of the way. Center of the manifold should be around 2.780, which is just under that 2 lines down. Would have been just under this 8 here number. And that's coming right out of this book right here, 780. Now they make a shorter manifold here at 275, so that'd be 30 thousandths shorter. I don't know how much shorter length we need, but that might be what we need. But anyway, we got to figure out our O-rings here. These are 1.800 flanges, so they're bigger than Harley. So take these special thinner O-rings. So we got to determine what we got here. These ones came in our new gasket kit here. These are 127. These are the S&S ones here, C112. These ones are 137. These are all over the place. 120. What are these ones again? 25. Great. Every manufacturer has different stuff. 20s, teens. This is definitely the fat one. And this group here is definitely the real thin ones. We'll go with this one. These ones are made by S&S, and they say they fit their manifold. The problem is when you take the big fat one and you squeeze it on a big ass manifold here. You can see how the flange is way off the edge, so you can't tighten it up. And you got the correct one on there. Still going hard. See, they're closer to being on the edge, so when you tighten them up, they'll be almost flat. So those other ones were about down here, these ones are over here. So that's the difference in these things. So those, we're not using those. Alright, so we got to figure that out. So we're going to shorten this manifold up a little bit, which is why I want to see how much I can shorten it. It looks like we do have a little room to do some shortening. So let's see if we can figure out how to do this. It's not exactly the easiest thing in the world to hold on to, so I got to see if I can figure out a way of doing it. But anyway, we got to make a shorter manifold, or we got to buy this manifold and see if it is the right length. But either way, I got to make these things shorter. Grinding them is not very accurate because they're uneven as you grind, but that might be our option too. We'll see. Anyway, we'll see what happens next.